Hey guys, Anastasia here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel where I share amazing recipes that can help you grow healthy long hair. So if that's something you're interested in, you want to stick around. And of course, this is my hair before and after, and I've improved the health and growth of my hair by using my homemade recipes. So I'm gonna be sharing with you this hair growth mask recipe. So I'm gonna use some neem leaf powder to make a very effective and powerful hair growth mask that is 100% effective in promoting healthy, long and thick hair. So neem powder helps to condition the hair from root to tip. It reduces excessive hair loss and many other benefits which we're going to look at. But right now I went ahead and added some sea moss gel. So sea moss gel is also very powerful for hair growth. I have a video on how I made it on my channel. You can check that. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. Sea moss is very amazing. It will leave your hair and scalp feeling completely nourished. It helps to moisturize the hair and scalp, strengthens, condition, and leaves your hair feeling more manageable. It helps to define your curls as well. So yeah, sea moss contains about 92 minerals of the 102 minerals that our body is made up of. So you can imagine the benefits. Then I went ahead and added some avocado oil. So avocado oil contains minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants that can help keep our hair strong and healthy. And then I went ahead and added some olive oil, which easily penetrates the hair shaft, making it softer and easier to manage, and also Jamaican black castor oil, which has been known for the longest time to promote healthy, long and thick hair. All these oils work together to increase to moisturize the hair, make it easy to manage, and just add that slip to the conditioner. So yeah, I went ahead and added some aloe vera juice. So aloe vera is also powerful when it comes to healthy hair and scalp, and I just wanted to lighten up the mixture. I like my conditioners not too thick and not too watery, so I'm gonna keep adding the aloe vera juice until I get the desired consistency. And this is looking pretty good. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and add my essential oils. So I'm gonna go ahead and add peppermint essential oil, which has a tingling sensation on the scalp and helps to boost hair growth. Then I added some lemongrass essential oil, which has purifying properties which can help to detoxify the scalp, leaving it feeling clean and clear, and also rich in antioxidants, which helps to neutralize damaging free radicals. So now it's time to apply this hair growth mask on my hair, and I'm just going to go ahead and wet my hair a little bit because my hair really got too dry and I don't want to apply mask on very dry hair. So yeah, just want to go apply this mask on your scalp and then the length of your hair. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, and you just want to work in sections because that makes it easier to work with the mask and reduces all the mess that could possibly happen. In case you're still wondering why you should use this hair growth mask on your hair, neem leaf is from the neem tree that is grown in tropical regions such as India. It helps to condition the hair from root to tip. It minimizes excessive hair fall. It has medicinal properties that help to treat hair loss, lice, and other stuffs going on with the hair. Helps to get rid of dandruff, and because it has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, it strengthens the hair follicle and aids in the growth of hair development, promotes healthy hair growth, and improves hair density. So if you want to grow thick hair, this should be a staple in your hair routine or your hair regimen. Neem also helps to soothe frizzy hair as it has fatty acids, which keeps the hair follicle in a moist condition. It helps to prevent premature graying of the hair if applied to the hair and scalp regularly. So this should be like a regular treatment in order to see the maximum benefits. It helps to thicken your hair by increasing its density. So yeah, it's not gonna thicken the individual strands of your hair. You're not just going from having fine strands of hair to thick strands, but it's gonna increase your hair density, thereby making your hair look fuller and thicker. So yeah, those are the benefits of neem tree leaves for our hair, even though it has so many other medicinal benefits for our hair, skin, and stuffs like that. So neem is very powerful for hair growth. You can go ahead and do your own research. You'll see a lot of amazing testimonies online. So you want to include that in your hair regimen if that's your goal, to grow long and thick hair. This mask can be applied on the hair once a week. So you can use this as your weekly deep conditioner hair mask. So you can use this just once a week and you're gonna enjoy the benefits. Just always make a little portion and just use all for your hair. I really don't like keeping products in the fridge, especially these DIY recipes, just because I'm scared of like bacterial infections and stuff. So you just want to measure the quantity you're just gonna use for your hair that one time, and the next week you do the same, rather than making a large batch and start struggling on how to preserve it or how to effectively preserve it. So yeah, that's the process. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel below, turn on post notifications so that YouTube will notify you whenever I upload a new video, and let me know how you enjoy this mask. If you've used it or if you're gonna use it, just come back and share with us your experience. Before I forget, you can leave this mask on your hair for about 30 minutes to an hour if you want, and then you rinse it off and continue to moisturize your hair. So yeah guys, and if you're on Instagram, you can follow me at Fragile Curls for more behind the scenes or other things that I do to my hair. And again, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for making it this far. I see you, and yeah, please leave a nice comment in the comment section below and share with us your thoughts, and I'll see you. Bye.